my previous career, I was a middle school teacher and I taught 7th grade science, which was basically intro to biology. I taught a lot of things, but if I'm being honest, I also forgot a lot of what I taught. But I'll never forget the equation for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and water with sunlight energy makes sugar and oxygen. In my time as a teacher and as a student, there are only a handful of equations I actually still remember today, like a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or y equals mx plus b, or FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. I don't know how any of these equations apply to my life today, but they're in the memory banks. In marriage, there's also a common equation that I was used to hearing. 2 become 1. You take 2 people, me and my husband, and add a wedding ceremony, and we become 1 in marriage. That's why when I heard things like, you complete me, it sounded so compelling. 2 people becoming 1. But when I stopped to think about it, how does 2 actually become 1? Mathematically, if you take 1 and you add 1, you end up with 2. So how do you take 1 and 1 and end up with 1? By multiplication. Marriage is an equation of multiplication. Marriage has a multiplying effect. If I only bring half of me and the other person only brings half of themselves, we don't complete each other. Marriage has a multiplying effect. And what ends up happening when you take 1/2 and multiply it by 1/2, you actually get something way less. In Scripture, this concept of 2 becoming 1 is mentioned in Genesis 2, verse 24, where it says, "That is why a man leaves his father and mother and is united to his wife, and they become one flesh." So, for the best way to make my marriage work, the only thing I can do is give control over to the Lord and ask Him to give me the strength to bring my whole self to my husband in marriage. Bring the full me, the full 1. When I do that and my spouse brings the complete version of himself, that's how 2 becomes 1. Marriage is an equation of multiplication. Whether or not you're married, perhaps there's something you can do today to surrender more to God's will. It's the only way to experience the best complete you.